Um, Today we're going to show you, this is the first Bluetooth motorcycle. As you can see on the screen, if trying to focus, these are all the commands so you can control your bike. In this case, it's ignition, the tank, and whatnot. Now we're going to show you what this can do. On the bike, we get on the bike, and we get the command for the bike for the seat to go up. And then we have the tank. You gotta go back a little bit. Oh yeah. We're gonna put some lights on so you can have a better idea what we're doing. Get it closer over here again. As you can see, the tank is seamless right there. You don't see any pistons, you don't see nothing through the side. Go around it. That's a clean installation for the gas tank to go up and down. We're going to move it again, and all this is done through your cell phone. Go to back and another again going up. Let's see. Tank down. All done through your cell phone. Get the seat. Rear cowling. And again, folks, this is the first motorcycle controlled via Bluetooth. Oh, and by the way, let me go over there on the other side. Let me turn off the lights. Shut off the lights. Watch the bike. All right here. Press the button. Ignition. And boom. Bike is on, folks. Right away. Turn it off. Just touch the button right away. I mean, this is automatic. It doesn't take that long for the bike to turn on. Ignition on. Bike on. All right here. Via Bluetooth. Shut off the bike. And again, folks, this is the first motorcycle control via Bluetooth right on your cell phone. Let's go again. Watch the bike. Let's go for watch the hump on the back. Hold on, let's do the lights. Lights on. Are you catching the phone too?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's all right. Lights on. Watch the rear cowling. We go on the settings right here. Rear cowling goes down. And it's automatic. I mean, you don't have no delay. It's just automatic. Watch the seat. The tank. All control via your cell phone. Again, you got to throw away all those little transmitters. Throw them all away. Now you can control your bike with your cell phone. You want to give us a call, contact us at www.motorcycleboutique.net or send us an email right there at motorcycleboutique.net. Again, first motorcycle control via Bluetooth. Oh, by the way, watch also, you can also control, let's go, the lights. Lights off. Watch the front. The front of the bike, you can also control it right through your cell phone. So yes, anything electronic on the bike, it can be controlled right through your cell phone. nitrous purges. See on the front, we got the nitrous purge. Of course, we don't have no nitrous in it right now, but just touch a button, and you can see the nitrous purges just went on. Again, button, purge is on. Put the lights on right here so you can film the bike.
And that's motorcycleboutique.net.
.net. And as you can see, this is the Commander-in-Chief motorcycle. Just came from Daytona, Florida, on good old Rat's Hole, which you know it, first place. Unveiling the new technology, folks. We've been talking about it for the last couple of months. Now you can control everything on your motorcycle right using your cell phone. Watch the tank. Those folks, over there, that they use this rudimentary ways to lift the tank. You don't see, it's all clean. Clean. You don't see anything right there. No pistons, no anything. Watch the tank, folks. Get a little closer right there. Watch the seat. And you can see the rear cowling. All automatic, folks. Right using your cell phones. So from now on, throw away those beepers. Throw away all those transmitters. Use your cell phone. Right here. New technology. Right for your cell phone. Right for your bike. Again, give us a call or send us an email. www.motorcycleboutique.net. The windshield. All control. Right here. Touch the button. Watch the screen. Lights off. Watch the screen. Lights on. Anything that's electronic can be controlled right through your cell phone. www.motorcycleboutique.net if you want more information on how to control your motorcycle via Bluetooth. Oh, look at the Bluetooth over here on the other side. The whole system is turned on right in this area. As you can see, little Bluetooth light. The bike has its own IP address, so you can actually connect to your laptop and other devices. Next month we're coming out with the Apple application and an application for the Droid cell phone. But now it's all right here. This is the application where it says N. That's for remote. We're going to get a better video on it, but that's the application on it. Once you touch, boom, the application is automatically. The bike consists also, the bike has 16 channels. So whatever output that you have that you would like to control on your bike, you can control it right through your cell phone. As you can see, the screens, I can navigate on the screens, and there's more applications right there. Boom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 channels, and in the other page, more channels pop up. So 16 channels. Control the bike via cell phone. Cannot get better than this, folks. www.motorcycleboutique.net. And as you know, in God we trust.